how to log in Walmart MoneyCard. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in Walmart MoneyCard. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Walmart MoneyCard Login, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the very first link you see there. You will then be led to the login portal of MoneyCard, so go ahead and enter your online user ID and your password, and if you want your device to remember your user ID, then tap on the Remember User ID checkbox. Also, if you have forgotten your login credentials, then tap on the Forgot User ID or Password option and recover your login credentials. Once you have entered the login credentials, tap on the Login button, and with this, you will be logged in to Walmart MoneyCard. So, this is how you can log in to Walmart MoneyCard. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel, Login Giants, for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.